always put water in the bath before you seal it. Here's a little tip for the haters. When you're gonna do sealant, put the tissue in between the, look how clean that area is. Put the tissue in between the gap, run it in there. Yeah. Get out all the wetness. Get all the wetness out, so when we put the new sealant down, it sticks right, you know what I mean? That's for the haters that say this guy does everything. How can he do it? Yes, look at that. How pretty and clean. Clean. That's how we do it. Crown Elite's the best ever.